Bluesheart59. First of all, I want to do a shout out for Mark. Okay, Mark? First, I'm going to do a shout out for you because I'm a nice guy. Okay? Hip Hop at Ripley's. Check him out. He's a good guy, but he's got a temper. Okay? Sub to Mark's channel, Hip Hop at Ripley's, or Mark Ripley, whatever. But anyway, this is a message for you, Mark. I'm going to tell you right now. You blocked me on your channel because you got offended by a video. I didn't mean to offend you on that video. I always supported you, bro. I always supported you, and I always gave you likes on all your videos, okay? And I didn't mean to offend you on the video. The only thing I said in the video, I said, cool video, but I do not like wars. I lost family members in a war. I have dead relatives from fighting in the wars. I don't like wars, okay? That's all I said is I don't care for wars. But I liked your video, okay? So I'm covering my ass on that one, okay? All right, I'm done with that. Anyway, you guys, and I want to say another thing. I'm really grateful for all the subs I got. I'm at 625 people. It's getting harder and harder to watch videos now, but I'm trying. And I'm just not going to play games anymore with, you know. I'm just kind of bummed out right now because I just go out try to help people and then I get blocked. Come on, you know. Blocked for being a guy, and so I slipped, all right? I made a mistake. But anyway, I just want to let you guys know I'm not going to be on YouTube for a while. I'm going to stop making videos maybe for a month. I don't know. Who knows? But I will be on and off. I'm just not going to push it no more. I'm kind of tired of it. But I don't know, you guys. I do this stuff for you guys. I do all this stuff for you guys. You guys are my fans. When you guys sub to me, I give 100% back. I try to. It's getting harder and harder to watch a lot of videos because I got, 625 people. That's a lot for me. But, I mean, I've been known to spend 6 to 12 hours a day on YouTube. I'm unemployed right now anyway. But the thing is, I do care for everybody. But I just don't like negativity, you know. So anyway, you guys, just don't unsub me. If I'm not on for a while, don't unsub me. Just bear with me. Maybe I need a little break. Who knows? But if you sub me, I'll sub you back. And I will watch your videos. But right now, I'm just kind of bummed out about the situation. So if you guys know Mark, maybe you guys talk to him. I'm not gonna go on other people's channels where I see his comments and try to say something because that's not man to man. So I won't do that. All right. So anyway, guys, peace out. Bluesheart59. I'm bumming right now because I don't need any negativity. And like I said, I love my fans, man. I always back you guys up. The circle of YouTube. We're all tied together. You know that. All the subs I got is usually everybody knows each other. So we got to get along. All right, peace out, Bluesheart. You guys take care. I'll let you know what's going on. But just, I don't know. Just kind of frustrated, so who knows. But like I said, don't unsub me. I'll be back. All right, bye.